the ever-evolving world of kitchen appliances, finding a device that seamlessly combines functionality, efficiency, and style can be a daunting task. Enter the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a culinary powerhouse designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. This versatile appliance promises to replace multiple gadgets in your kitchen, offering a range of cooking options from air frying to baking, all while maintaining a sleek and modern design. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to simplify meal preparation, the Bravo Pro stands out as an indispensable tool that delivers consistent results with ease. Let's dive into what makes this smart oven a must-have addition to any kitchen. Specifications. The Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens with its compact yet spacious build. Measuring 13.25 inches in depth, 17.75 inches in width, and 9.5 inches in height, it fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Despite its compact size, it offers a substantial 21-quart capacity, which is sufficient for cooking a wide variety of meals, from baking a 10-inch pizza to roasting a 4-pound chicken. Weighing in at 19 pounds, the oven is sturdy enough to remain stable during use but light enough to be moved if necessary. The appliance operates at a powerful 1,800 watts and requires a standard 120-volt outlet, making it accessible for most households. Its ability to reach a maximum heating temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows for versatile cooking options, accommodating everything from slow roasting to high-heat broiling. This range of specifications positions the Bravo Pro as a formidable contender in the realm of multifunctional kitchen appliances. Design and build quality. The design of the Nuwave Bravo Pro is both aesthetically pleasing and functionally robust. Its sleek stainless steel exterior not only adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor but also ensures durability and ease of cleaning. The choice of stainless steel is particularly advantageous as it resists stains and corrosion, which is essential for maintaining the appliance's appearance over time. In terms of build quality, the Bravo Pro is constructed with high-grade materials that promise longevity and consistent performance. The oven comes equipped with several essential accessories that enhance its functionality: a heavy-duty cooking rack capable of supporting substantial weight, a baking pan for various culinary creations, an air fryer basket for healthier frying options, and a pull-out crumb tray that simplifies cleanup by collecting crumbs and drips. Cooking versatility. The Nuwave Bravo Pro stands out for its exceptional cooking versatility, offering 12 preset cooking functions that cater to a wide range of culinary needs. Whether you're air frying crispy fries, baking delicate pastries, broiling meats to perfection, or simply reheating leftovers, this appliance can handle it all with ease. This level of versatility makes it an invaluable tool for both novice cooks looking to expand their repertoire and experienced chefs seeking efficiency. Each preset function is carefully calibrated to ensure optimal results, taking the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not be familiar with certain cooking techniques but still wish to achieve professional quality results at home. Smart features. The integrated digital temperature probe has transformed my cooking confidence. This isn't just a basic probe, it's a sophisticated temperature monitoring system that continuously adjusts cooking parameters based on real-time food temperature readings. The automatic shut-off feature when target temperature is reached has eliminated overcooked meals from my kitchen. The smart cooking presets work in harmony with the probe, adjusting time and temperature automatically based on what you're cooking. Energy efficiency. In an era where energy efficiency is increasingly important, the Nuwave Bravo Pro excels by offering quick cooking times while consuming less energy than traditional ovens. This efficiency not only helps reduce electricity bills but also contributes positively to environmental sustainability by lowering overall energy consumption. Moreover, the appliance's design includes PFAS-free parts, ensuring safer cooking without exposure to potentially harmful chemicals often found in non-stick coatings. This commitment to safety and environmental responsibility further enhances the appeal of the Bravo Pro for health-conscious consumers. Accessories and inclusions. The included accessories demonstrate Nuwave's attention to detail. The heavy-duty cooking rack is sturdy enough to handle substantial roasts, while the baking pan features a premium non-stick coating that has maintained its performance through months of use. The air fryer basket is particularly well designed, with optimal perforation patterns for superior air circulation. The pull-out crumb tray makes maintenance simple and prevents debris buildup. Performance in daily use. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that the multi-layer cooking capability is a game changer. The enhanced convection system ensures even cooking across all layers, reducing overall cooking time by up to 30% compared to traditional methods. The 30-quart capacity easily accommodates family-sized meals, and I've successfully cooked everything from delicate pastries to crispy air-fried foods with consistent results. Convection Technology. A key feature that enhances the performance of the Bravo Pro is its advanced convection technology. By circulating hot air evenly around the food, this technology ensures uniform cooking results every time. This is especially important for dishes that require precise temperature control to achieve the desired texture and flavor. The convection feature is complemented by an integrated temperature probe that allows users to monitor internal food temperatures accurately. This probe automatically shuts off the oven once the target temperature is reached, preventing overcooking and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time, a feature highly valued by those who prioritize precision in their cooking. Warranty and support. The warranty coverage reflects Nuwave's confidence in their product. The 1-year manufacturer's warranty and VIP service program provide peace of mind, while the 90-day money-back guarantee allows ample time to thoroughly test the appliance. Customer support has been responsive and knowledgeable in addressing my questions about advanced features. Potential drawbacks. In the interest of complete honesty, there are some aspects that could be improved. The learning curve for mastering all features is steeper than with simpler appliances, though the comprehensive manual helps. The cleaning process, particularly around the heating elements, requires attention to detail. The size, while efficient for its capacity, might be challenging for smaller kitchens with limited counter space. Value proposition. When considering the investment, the Bravo Pro offers exceptional value. It effectively replaces multiple kitchen appliances, including a traditional toaster, air fryer, and in many cases, even a full-sized oven for most cooking tasks. The energy efficiency and versatility make it a cost-effective choice in the long run. The build quality suggests this appliance will provide years of reliable service, making it a sound investment for serious home cooks. Customer feedback. Customer feedback on the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven has been largely favorable across various platforms. Many users appreciate its multi-functionality and convenience, highlighting how it has streamlined their cooking processes by replacing several smaller appliances. The ability to prepare a wide range of dishes, from crispy fries to perfectly baked pastries, without needing multiple gadgets is frequently cited as a major advantage. Additionally, customers have praised the oven's performance in delivering consistent results across different cooking modes. Whether using it for air frying or baking, users have noted that their meals turn out evenly cooked with desirable textures and flavors. Overall, this appliance has garnered praise for its performance, design, and contribution to efficient meal preparation, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their culinary capabilities without cluttering their kitchen space. So, should you buy it? After months of regular use, the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven has proven itself as an indispensable kitchen companion. Its combination of sophisticated technology, durability, and versatility sets a new standard for countertop cooking appliances. While there's a learning curve to master its full potential, the results are worth the effort. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting your culinary journey, this appliance offers the tools and capabilities to elevate your cooking game significantly.